1340 WMID Atlantic City and 1023 WMID FM Cape May County.
Join us next Sunday from 9 to 10 a.m. for Money Talks with Joe Schifano and Dan McCory on your station that plays wonderful memories. 1340 AM and 102.3 FM WMID.
I love the music and the memories.
1340.
WMID.
The best songs and a better variety. 96.1 and 93.1 WTTH The Touch. The station you hear everywhere. 96.1 and 93.1 WTTH The Touch. Playing the hits and oldies you like to hear. Non-stop, back to back. WTTH The Touch. South Jersey's number one. 96.1 and 93.1 WTTH The Touch.
10 of the hottest beats in a row. 10 in a row. All day on 99.3 and 105.5 WCBZ The Buzz. Your 10 in a row station. 99.3 and 105.5 WCBZ The Buzz. Bob and Jerry in the morning at 10 of the hottest beats in a row. All day. All day. WCBZ The Buzz.
My station is WCBZ The Buzz.
Your feel-good station. The Buzz. The Buzz.
Hi, we're in sync.
And coming up next is our new single, Pop.
On The Buzz.
Dirty Pop.
This
is South Jersey's new beat.
South Jersey's new beat. WCBZ, Pleasantville, Atlantic City. WGBZ, Cape May Courthouse.